All right, how are you feeling?
I'm kind of a nervous wreck right now. Yeah, just really nervous. It's been a lot of work, and it's been 4 years of work, and hopefully it doesn't crash. I mean, if it does, it does, but it would suck. But honestly, the thing I'm worried about the most is if it's even going to take off, because I'm worried that it's a bit underpowered. I did some taxi testing the other day, and at full throttle, it wasn't gaining that much speed. So I'm not sure I'll be able to get enough speed to actually get airborne, but we'll see. And the other thing I'm worried about is the CG. Like, it's never flown before, so is the CG in the right spot? I don't know. I'll only figure that out once the plane gets in the air and I can actually feel it. So anyway, we'll see. I'm excited. All right, taking off left to right, hopefully. Oh. So yeah, unfortunately, I couldn't even get the plane in the air. I'll have to look at the footage, but it was definitely struggling to get up to speed first off, which I already knew because I did a taxi test on Tuesday, and with the grass runway and the small landing gear, it wasn't picking up speed very quickly, but today something happened and the plane like tipped over, wings broken. I just had a phone call and a discussion with two very helpful people. They gave me a lot of things to think about, you know, my battery being one. I'm going to try a different battery, see if I can get more thrust, see if the battery's the limiting factor. Maybe I'll try to find a higher kV motor. Obviously I'll have to reprint the wing, see if I could figure out a way to get a bigger front wheel on this thing, see if I can shift the main landing gear a little bit further forward so that it rotates a little bit easier to get some of the weight off the nose. But yeah, I'm just bummed. Not so much because of the damage, it's not too bad, but just because the project's been going on for so long and I was really looking forward to being done with it, and just having fun with a good flight. But yeah, it is what it is. Just learning, a lot of learnings here. My first time doing this, like going this far with a scratch-built plane. There was a lot of unknowns for me, so anyway, it's been fun, been learning a lot, and I look forward to eventually getting this thing in the air. So thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.